full visual kayaking system, e-commerce logistics, unloading and storage node, visual acquisition of gantry frame, cargo weighing and weighing sweep code node, dynamic W's volume measurement, manual handling node, sorting line node in the field linear sorting system, forklift handling node, visual monitoring and management monitoring system off each node, out of warehouse loading node, express logistics, unloading in warehouse. The forklift carries the goods to the packing desk, packing table manual labeling, packing and code scanning pipeline, station monitoring and management. Each packing station is equipped with monitoring equipment. Initial distribution of parcels. The parcels were first divided by labor and distributed to different provinces. Sweep code collection of package parts that collects parcel data, automatically binds and uploads it to the monitoring and management system. Package sweep code shipment. Connectech full visual tracking system. Combination of information stream and video stream. One-click query. Accurate traceability. Region query. Time period query. Order number query. Real-time monitoring and management. Supervise the information of each node and visualize the whole process.